Hadian Arsnam, John Kajing Puli, Bakajing Penkre, Kikana Samla Puli, Bayale ek examen Jonka Higher Secondary School of Living Certificate. Mantagasnam, Gila Yok Head you saw Batyang Jonkajing Minot, Hadian Bakamegalia Board of School Education, Kalapenmi Yak result, Jonka Science Stream, but Commerce, Hagasnipale, Jonkatayo. Mantagasnam Haga Science Stream Gidon Hadu Arhajar Hundrews Spotlight Pangwood Kibaya Kunyak exam but Kibapas Gidon Shihajar Hundrews Spot Sapunyo Wood Gibakan Top Ya South Spot Kandai Po Soundwood Haga First Division Shihajar Sanpo Arnwood Haga Second Division Kandai Punyo Wood Haga Third Division but Arnwood Kibayo Simple Pass Habakan Kalum Baro Ndrepo R point Ndrepo R Nakashispa Kipas Second Examination Haga Science Stream Yakakadan first layo da uparikshit Chakrabarti ubapuli ha St. Edmunds College ublayo ru yaki distinction haki Henry to league subject Menta kakanti ki khana khasi kelele khamha hakanik exam but kidan laingut hakathop kateng jongka first 10 but kini ki kanthop ya inilam jingpha sun iblayo ek 5th position udan kwil vans ken shikhar ublayo ek 7th position but ugarul Ryan Taryang Bla ublayo ek 8th position Kini baro kidai ki bapuli haga St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School. Haga Commerce Stream pan ki khana bayakun yakinik examination kidan baro Shihajar news pa arpon riungut ki bayakun but ki bapas kidan Shihajar lies pa andre ponyo ki bakan top ya ars pa laingut haga first division Sans pa kandai prangut haga second division but Sans pa andre pawai haga third division kan top ru saungut ki bayo yak simple pass. Kejeng ken kelum jong ki khana ki papa sa Commerce Stream kalong nyopu khandai point arpo na kashispa hakanik stream ya kadan first layo du Muhammad Walid Adnan na St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School but hangni ru kidan sangut ki khana kasi ki layo kadan haka top 10 hakanik si ki embos kala polite ru ek result jongka vocational stream haka ba baro handri ngut ki khana ki be khonik exam kila pass haka kadan first division Habe nujor bagas nembalala kejing ken jong ki bapa saka science stream kam daya pher kat ba ha ko Commerce Stream kejing ken kala duna khendian menta kasnem ki khana kan thei kelele khambha banya ki khana shinrang habaro art league stream nakaliang jong ki khana puli kilapan pawi kejing kimen ka bakrau ban job ekenik examine bat ka kan hun jongi kala yo lat banya kren yakap tu ka ningut ha ka ba kilapan paw kumni
congratulations.
Thank you.
So, to what or to whom will you attribute your success to?
I'd attribute it to my family, my mother, and to my school, to all my teachers and my friends.
So how has been the preparation for the examination? How did you prepare for the examination?
I basically prepared towards the last 2 or 3 months, right from November, December. So I used to study about 5-6 hours average, and towards the end, around in February, I used to study about 8 hours a day.
What about your future plans? You know, we all have future plans. What about you?
Well, nothing is very concrete at the moment, but I might be studying on in Shillong. Yeah.
Okay, then good luck to you.
Thank you.
Ngo comment but git ngai ngo yo play bola ku yang kani ka por bang yo result bola dan jingkat lem bat ngaru akijing pen kre ka jong bat kum juru ya email pa kinong hikai ya email ru kum jo ka yang kasam jongi baro
Kum pi pen kre kan examination nanu ba sedang
bakre kot ya kre kot kat bala hi men step ru ngakre jan mir ru ngakre Dema kidan kipor pe like bam yo ban kra kot pham balik tuition ni aim to tikla kham duna no to kipor
Ikumba piman pilong wi ne ki khna kasi ba top mo hai te ki ga jing khubon ne ka message pila banai ki bala esi ki la ban yo apun ni kadan ba pi along pi
ai ki ga khubor ba ki di ban tristam but ban minot ro ka jing kra kot jungki mar bangi yo hi ya ka jing jom ha bangi tristam ban ni le ek bangi de ban le